everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a hyacinth paper flowers. So it's not hard to do, it's so simple, and all the materials that I've been using for today, I'm gonna put all the description so you can you have an idea what I've been using for today. And yeah, please keep on watching until the end of my video and I will show you the result of this tutorial. And there you go, isn't pretty? There's the result of the hyacinth paper flowers. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, comment, and like and share. And don't forget also to ring the notification bell. Just keep your posts updated every time I upload my new video. And see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.